Después de 27 anos com a agência de inspeção americana a funcionar na Aruba, agora aqui está expandir a facilidade de pre-clearance no aeroporto. Además de outro assunto, essa aqui é outro ponto importante dentro do desenvolvimento de turismo, já que a facilidade funciona como catalisador para nosso turismo. Já webs a corta cinta para a facilidade nova de pre-clearance no edifício de General Aviation, desenvolvimento com US Customs and Border Protection, CBP, estava antecipando para algum tempo acaba. Tem 16 facilidades de pre-clearance na 6 países diferentes no mundo e Aruba tem de posiciona único aqui.
We've worked very well together over the last couple of years in making sure this facility met the standards of CBP and that would further support our mission in Homeland Security and extending our borders out. It was back in 2008 when DHS and the Aruba government updated the 1994 pre-clearance agreement to include a provision for possible expansion to general aviation here in Aruba. In 2012, Aruba General Aviation Facility was accepted by CBP, and we began to begin processing for these flights. A few weeks ago, on March 1st, CBP celebrated its 11th anniversary as the Department of Homeland Security.
2014 will mark a 27-year presence of the United States inspection agencies on Aruba Airport. The first 7 years by means of a pre-inspection agreement, and that was substituted in 1994 with a pre-clearance agreement between the government of the United States and the Kingdom of the Netherlands in respect of Aruba. And through the pre-clearance facilities, not only what Mr. De Francicia said, but we are able at Aruba to provide our customers with an improved travel experience to the United States. And equally for the airlines, it means shorter turnaround times at domestic gates at airports in the United States.
The inauguration of the pre-clearance facilities for private aircraft by the US government is another milestone in the development of our tourism industry. Aruba can be proud to be the only island in the Caribbean hemisphere to have pre-clearance facilities for private aircraft. Congratulations for this. The pre-clearance facilities at the airport that we have since the year 2001 have proven to be a catalyst in the success of our tourism industry. These facilities ensure a hassle-free arrival in the United States, with airlines able to connect with other flights in their network and satisfied visitors happy not to be standing in the long lines upon their arrival in the US.
And it is based upon trust and confidence when you see that countries start eliminating the borders between themselves. When you reach that point, that means that you share values, you share vision with regard to the type of society that you would like to create, the legal society, the economic society, the social society that you would like to create for your people and your countries.
DHS was created in response to the terrorist attacks of 9/11, and we became whole March 1st, 2003. CBP, the largest law enforcement agency within the Department of Homeland Security, was created through a merger that combined employees from the former U.S. Customs Service, inspectors of Border Patrol, and agents of the Immigration and Naturalization Service, and employees from the U.S. Department of Agriculture and Animal and Plant Health Inspections to form one agency known today as U.S. Customs and Border Protection, or CBP.
I know that these pre-clearance facilities were a major factor in the numerous additional flights we have welcomed from the United States for the past years. These pre-clearance facilities have also made Aruba a haven as a hub, connecting Latin America to the United States, fitting perfectly into Aruba's strategies. Since its inception, Aruba has promoted these pre-clearance facilities as a mark of confidence bestowed upon Aruba by the United States government. It is this confidence in Aruba by the US government that has proved and provided to the airlines and the visitors the security they need in these insecure times in the world.
We are giving the same sense of expression of trust and confidence between two countries and two nations, that we trust each other so much, we share so much of each other's values and vision, that we are willing to put our own border control in another country. And being in the list of 16 countries when there are more than 100 countries in the world, to have this special relationship with the United States. I sometimes don't know if we really realize, and we have to pinch ourselves sometimes to really understand what Aruba has.
Executivo de CBP, Promeco, ela vira diretor de operação de pre-clearance, a estacionado na Aruba para 4 anos. Ela ajuda a preparar a facilidade que está operacional for de jobs.